So I'm here in the cab of my tractor today because I plan on installing this spinner knob on my steering wheel. Now I usually put something like this on every one of my pieces of equipment that has a steering wheel because this makes dirt work and turning and everything just so much easier on the boat, lawn tractor, anything. These little spinner knobs are great. They let you really get a good grip on the steering wheel and they let you easily move it around with one hand really quickly. So I'm going to be mounting this. I'm going to find somewhere where I want to mount it. Not exactly sure yet, but I'm going to go ahead and mount this and let you check it out once it's done. Alright, so I do got it mounted. I decided to mount it right over this right arm piece here of the steering wheel. I've got the steering wheel straight and I mounted it right above it. So it's at, I don't know, 3 o'clock, something like that. But what it does is it lets me just rest my hand here when I am driving straight, and I mean, it spins really easy, and these things let you really get that steering wheel moving quickly one way or the other. So let me go ahead and crank it up. I'll drive around a little bit with it. So it really easily lets you turn and turn quick. You actually hit that end of your turning radius real quick with this because you're able to move it so quickly. Yeah, oh, this thing's great. Definitely glad I put it on. Well, I'll put a link down into the description of this video to where I got this spinner, and I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.